Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment below to this video. It's all about Goldmine. First, we're going to prime our eyes with MAC Prep and Prime. Be careful to put it all over your eyelid. I like using my finger for this. Next, I'm going to pick up MAC's Naturally Enhanced Mineralized Skin Finish. I like to use the darker shade for my crease. It sets down a perfect color for my skin tone, and I believe that it goes on so smooth, as you can see. Not too much color, just enough for this wonderful Goldmine look. How are you guys doing today? Just want to thank you once again for returning back to my channel. Next, we have MAC Espresso. This color we're going to put in our V on our eye. This color will enhance the depth of the look and give it just a really nice tone with naturally enhanced. And as you can see, it just lays down very nicely. It's a matte shade. I'm just going to build it up a little bit to get the color that we want. Now I'm going to take our brush, and here we go with Carbon. Carbon is an intense black, and it's a matte shade as well, and we're just going to use it to darken up the V and bring it all the way down a little bit on our lower lash line, because we're going to be connecting our shadows to make sure that we have a perfect blend. Max Carbon is a really good outer V shade, and I'm just going to go back and forth, swipe back and forth until I get the blend that I want. Now I'm going to take a blending brush, and we're just going to take our time here, and we're going to blend, and then blend some more, because y'all know you gotta have the blend right in order for your makeup look. And because I have a mature skin over my eye, that's what I'm going to say, mature eye. I like to pull it taut so that I can get the blend right, because when this is done, it's going to be fabulous. Next, I go to Maybelline. They have a nice base in gold that I like to use, and so we're going to take our brush and we're going to take our time and put this over our lid, and this is going to be the base for the star of the show. Use your finger. This is the star, none other than Goldmine. We're going to put a little Fix Plus on our brush because we want this color to pop. It has to shine. It is the star, and if I may say so myself, I like it. Yes, I do. And then we might as well touch up the other eye while we have the opportunity, because we want to have balance in this eye look. So we're just going to go ahead and fix the other eye that was previously done. Now we're going to go back into Carbon on both eyes just to make sure that it all matches up, and we're going to bring that down to the lower end of our eye, and we're going to start the transition on our lower lash line. And I thought, you know, why don't we bring Goldmine back so that it can meet the shadows and open up our eye a little bit. I'm just going to clean off the brush a little bit, and we're going back to blend. I'm going to grab Urban Decay's Perversion, and we're going to put that on our lower waterline, ever so gently, because it's going to provide a wonderful waterline look that will help the gold pop. I just love this particular shade. Ooh, and here we go, baby. Stella. Do y'all know about these glitters? I mean, they are fabulous. I don't even have to use a glitter glue with these particular glitters from Stella. I mean, they stay put, they are fabulous, and they just bring your look to the next level, honey. I mean, take a look at this. The only thing I will say that you have to be careful about not looking up a lot of the time, particularly if you have a creased eyelid, because they will transfer over the crease and then you have to do some more blending and possibly do some more work. But I tell you, for this Goldmine look, I just said to myself, I have to do it. So now I'm just going to close my eyes for a minute, just a minute, and let it dry, because we want it to be sparkling and fresh and beautiful. I like it. Yes, I do. Thank you, one and all, for joining me for this look. It's a Goldmine, guys. Please feel free to subscribe and be part of my team. As always, I thank you, and you for your support. Stay tuned for my next video.